I don't know about you, but two things start to happen to me towards the end of the year. One, my desk gets even messier than normal as lots of packages are coming and going, stuff to review, holiday lists to make, end of the year lists. But I also start to get kind of reflective. What did this year mean photographically to me? What new places, what new people did I get to experience? And I start to look back at my Lightroom catalog, and if I've done a decent job over the course of the year of staying fairly organized and rating my images, then it's pretty easy to come up with a handful of nice shots. I've got just shy of 60,000 shots in my 2018 library right now, and I have about 300 three-star shots. That seems about right. The 3 stars are good enough to share on Instagram usually for me. That's what that means. But out of that, I need to pick one single image that represents my favorite image that I captured this year in 2018. And I'm going to challenge you to do the same because it is time. This is exciting. For the annual Photorec.tv end of the year slideshow. It is one of my absolute favorite things that we get to do here at Photorec.tv, and that is ask you for the difficult task of picking the one photo you captured this year that is your favoritist and sharing it with us so that we can then share it back to the world in the form of a slideshow. If you've never experienced this before, if you've never been part of this before, it's pretty simple. There are some guidelines and some rules that I would like you to follow. It needs to be large enough. You are submitting just one. And what else? It needs to be a genuine photo, and it needs to be named your name. Don't submit more than one. There are a few more guidelines, including the exact size that I would like, and I also encourage you, if it works, to crop it to 16 by 9 because then it will fit very nicely in the slideshow. But if it doesn't work for you, then don't do that. But obviously it's a little bit better if you crop than if we get little black letter bars here and there on some cases. But if your favorite picture is a horizontal, then, or vertical I should say, because that's the one that's off a little bit, then certainly submit that. The link to submit is right down below this video. You have 1 week from today to share with me your most favorite photo. But a couple other things. One, I want you to comment down below how many pictures did you take this year. You can give me an approximate number. Out of that, how many are keepers, or your rating system might be different than mine, so let's just keep it at keepers. How many are images that you really are going to keep around and share with the world? And let me know, how hard was it to pick? Were there 2 or 3, or did you have 50 and it was really difficult to pick? I'm curious to know. And what we'll do is when we put this slideshow together, and just so you know, I don't run advertisements on it or anything like that. It's simply a slideshow of you, Photorec TV viewers, your favorite moment that you captured this year, shared back in a big, beautiful 4K slideshow for everybody to enjoy. And you will be able to tag yourself in that image, in that slideshow, in the comments. If you do want to watermark your images, that's fine. I just ask that you make it small and unobtrusive. That doesn't make sense to submit with a gigantic watermark over it. And I'll have to make a call on some. Every year we've gotten a little bit bigger, and there's been a few more images that don't seem genuine, or you didn't follow the rules. Those are the only ones that I haven't included. Everybody else gets included. It doesn't matter what level of photographer you are. If this is your favorite moment captured, I'm happy to share it with the world. But please make sure you follow all of those guidelines. They're linked right down below this video. And I don't necessarily just get reflective about, oh, that was a great picture. Oh, I love that moment. I also get reflective about, where am I as a photographer? How do I compare to myself years back? And see, it's very easy to compare yourself to other people. You have no idea of education, how much time or energy that they pour into this, or how much time they spent. That's not important, those other people. What's important is you and your growth. And if you would like to grow more in 2019, you can, of course, join the Photo Enthusiast Network. There's a link right down below to that. And I just bring that up because our price is ridiculous. It's just $8 a month. and it is going up at the end of 2018. So if you want to lock in that price, go ahead and follow that link as well. And if you have any questions, comments, you can leave those down below as well. I'm looking forward to hearing from you, how many pictures you captured, how many are keepers, and I'm really looking forward to seeing your one favorite photo. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.